John's right. What he didn't do, what he did not do, that any dart player would have done apart from Justin Pipe. I've got a cough, I've got a cough, I turn away. I guarantee I turn away. He made no effort to do so. That was a tactic for advantage. That was a tactic to make Bernie Smith miss. He got his way. Whether Bernie Smith heard it or not is absolutely irrelevant. The intent was there. The DRA have to do something, because let me tell you, if he gets away with that and it goes on again, if that was Phil Taylor doing that, Phil Taylor would be reported on the back page of every newspaper, the front page and in the middle spread. That was disgusting.